Welcome. If you want to hard reset your Huawei Sound X, all you have to do is just to click on this icon and then on this one. You have to click and hold both icons until this indicator makes circle into the orange color. So click, click and keep holding. Now just wait. And as you can see, it comes around. Right now we can release. And as you can hear, the hard reset process is complete. So I hope that helped you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!